Hey, let me show you a few tips what you can do if you have any Wi-Fi problems on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. So if your network connection is slow, you can try to use the network acceleration. You will have to turn on the dual band Wi-Fi speed. So connect to the primary network, but also connect to the secondary one. And what you can also do, enable this option to switch between the networks automatically. So very useful if you have a low signal of your Wi-Fi, if it is weak or if not available, then automatically it will switch to the mobile data or other Wi-Fi network. And use this one, mobile data, to boost speed and select full boost speed mode. Next, you can also open the network that you are currently connected, and you can try to forget this network and connect one more time. Sometimes it really works. You have to also check for the system updates. So often when the new update is available, it actually fixes a lot of problems. You can also try to reset all the Wi-Fi settings by going to the more connectivity. Now scroll down and select reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and the Bluetooth. Go here, click on the reset and check if it works. If it is still not working, you can try to simply reboot your phone by holding the combination of a power button and the volume up button. And this is actually all my tips that I can give you. Let me know if it works.